Hi everyone, my name is Janelle and today I'm going to share a song with you where we're going to learn about some different music notes. If you want, you can use an instrument for this song such as a drum, a homemade shaker, or some rhythm sticks. Anything would work fine. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap or tap the notes too. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on new videos that are being added. Okay, so the first note I want to show you today is called a taw. So it looks like this. I'll hold it up close so you can see. This note is called a taw. And to play a taw, it gets one beat and there's one sound. So I'm going to demonstrate on the drum today. It goes like this. Taw. It's just one note. Let's try it together. Ready, go. Taw. Very good. So if I had 3 taws, it would be 3 sounds like this. Ta, ta, ta. Let's try that. Ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. Perfect. Great job. The next note I want to show you today is called a titi. It looks like this. And as you can see, there's 2 little notes. So titis go a little bit faster, and we have to make 2 sounds. So I'll show you a titi. It goes like this. Titi. It's fast. Titi. You try it. Ready, go. Titi. Good job. So if I had 2 titis, it would sound like this. Titi, titi. Let's try that. Ready, go. Titi, titi. Great job. So far we have a taw and we have a titi. Okay, the next note I want to show you is a little bit longer and it looks like this. So you can see this one is not colored in. It's empty in the middle. This note is called a 2 because it gets 2 beats. So when we play it on the drum, we just let the sound ring. It goes 1, 2, 1, 2. So we leave some more space. 1, 2. You try it with me. Ready, go. 1, 2. Good job. Now the last note I want to show you today is called a rest. So a rest looks like this. It's like a squiggly line, almost like the number 3. So what do you think you do when you see a rest? If you guessed that you stop playing, you're right. When you see a rest, we go like this. Rest. So there's no sound. You do not play your instrument or clap or tap. You just go rest. Let's try it together. Ready, go. Rest. Good job. So it's a quiet music note. There's no sound. Okay, so let's do a quick review. The first note is a taw. Let's play that together. Ready, go. Taw. Good. The next note was a titi. That's 2 notes. Let's do that one. Ready, go. Titi. Good. And then we have a 2 that looks like this. Let's do that one. Ready, go. 2. And the last note that I showed you was a rest. And for that one, we don't make any sound. We just go rest. Perfect. All right, so let's get started with our song. We're going to start by playing a steady beat on our instrument, or you can tap along, or you can clap your hands. Here we go. Can you hear the someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knocking at the door. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock until they stop. Here we go. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knocking at the door. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knock. Now this time let's hear taw notes, knocking on the door. 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 Good job. Join in with me. Can you hear there's someone knocking on the door? Knock, 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 knock. Great job. Okay, listen up for our next note. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knock. go, ready? TT notes, knocking at the door. TT notes, knocking at the door. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knock. Great job. Here's our next note. This one is a 2, so we're going to make it a little bit longer. Here we go. 2, 2, knocking at the door. 2, 2, knocking at the door. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knock. Okay, we got one more. Play with me. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knocking at the door. Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knock. Okay, do you remember what this one is? It's a rest. So, rest, rest, knocking at the door. Rest, rest, who is knocking at the door? Can you hear there's someone knocking at the door? Knock, 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 knock. Great job. Thank you for joining me today. So you can take those notes and see if you can make up different knocks on your door. You could knock with a ta, and that would sound like this. Ta, ta, ta. Or you could knock with TTs, and that would sound like this. T, 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 T. Or you could knock with 2s, and that would sound like this. 2, 2. Or you could knock on the door with rests, which means you don't knock at all. You go rest, rest. Thanks for joining me today.